In this video, we're going to look at solving simultaneous equations using the method of elimination when the signs are the same. So we see the number in front of y here is 6 and 6, so we're going to try to eliminate y. So we've got 8x minus 6y is equal to 7, and 3x minus 6y is equal to minus 8. Writing down the first equation, 8x minus 6y is equal to 7. Again, we label that equation 1. And then we've got 3x minus 6y is equal to minus 8. So again, we will label that equation 2. The signs here are the same. They're both minus, and the numbers the same. So we're going to try to eliminate these. If we add them, we won't get any elimination. But because the signs are the same, so either if these are both plus or both minus, we can subtract the two equations together. So doing that, 8x minus 3x gives me 5x, and then minus 6 minus minus 6 gives me nothing of y. Minus 6y minus minus 6y gives me nothing. And then 7 minus minus 8 gives me 15. Now dividing both sides by 5, we're going to get that x is equal to 3. So what we do is the same as before. We substitute into one of the two equations, normally equation 1. So we're going to get 8 times 3 minus 6y is equal to 7. 8 times 3 is 24, minus 6y is equal to 7. Subtracting 24 from both sides, and remembering to keep the minus sign here, we get minus 6y is equal to 7 minus 24, which is minus 17. Dividing both sides by minus 6, we're going to get y is equal to 17 over 6. We don't need to be worried about the fact we've got a fraction here. We can leave it like that. And then we will check in equation 2, which is this one. So we've got 3 times 3 minus 6 times 17 over 6. 3 3s are 9. And then minus 6 over 17 times 17 over 6 gives me just minus 17. And 6 minus 17 gives me minus 8. So we did get agreement. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 17 over 6. So there's been a video to show you how to use the method of elimination when perhaps the signs are the same and doing a subtraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.